When customers aren't logged in, your pop-out message can serve as a friendly nudge, inviting them to sign in or join your rewards program. Let's walk through how to customize your pop-out message for customers who are not logged in, so you can make a great first impression and attract new members. Like and subscribe to keep up with what's new at Epic Shops. From your rewards page, go to the Messages section. Under Pop-out Message, click Message to customers who are not logged in. This is where you edit messages and manage what content is visible. Start by clicking View Structure. This gives you a labeled guide of the pop-out message, so you know where each edit will appear. Below that, you'll find 5 text editors: Title, Body, Create an Account, Rewards Text, and FAQ Text. Each editor has a toggle switch, so you can turn sections on or off. Inside the editor, you can format text using alignment, lists, and other basic text styling. You'll also see merge tags, which act as placeholders that automatically pull in customer or store information. For example, you can add a Create an Account or Login merge tag to display a clickable link, making it easy for customers to join your rewards program. At the bottom of each editor, you'll see a character count. Keep your text concise and within the limit. This setup helps you target not logged in customers, encouraging them to create an account and join your rewards program with clear and engaging messaging. Once you're satisfied with your message setup, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it for the not logged in customer pop-out message in goLoyalty. Need a quick guide or extra help? Just click Get Help at the top right. Epic is here to make it easy.